Ah, the E-Type engine. One of the most beautiful engines out there. I mean, look at it. It's got such great symmetry with the way the carburetors are aligned like that, and just all the different bits of aluminum polished. I think it's just one of the most beautiful engines that there is. That's me, your humble servant, Lotus Bob, working on the cars there. One of the things that I love to do. Someday I'll tell you the story of how I got the name Lotus Bob, but it's suffice it to say that I like to work on cars, and I love tuning them up, which is what I'm doing here. The thing that you have to know about the SU carburetors, and Strombergs for that matter, is that you have to put oil in the little dampers there to keep the pistons flowing or up and down properly. And the proper operation of those has everything to do with the tuning and the performance and the responsiveness to the throttle. Boy, you can't get enough of that sound, huh? The exhaust note is just as pretty as the intake side. The sound of the machinery running, the sound of the air flowing into the carburetors, which is one of the reasons why I am not using the factory airbox that goes on the carburetors there. I think that you get a better note, a better sound through the carburetors when you have them set up like this. I guess there's... So you notice how you can really hear the sound of the engine, the air flowing through the carburetors. And that's really one of the things that you can use to help tune the carburetors to get them properly synced. The 3 carburetors is just a little bit more tricky to sync than 2, but this is the important thing to do when you're syncing the carburetors, is listen to them so that you hear how they flow when the air is coming in. So just more close-up pictures of the engine here, various different stages that it went through as I was rebuilding it. I love to see the bluing of the exhaust pipes there, the stainless. Once they get heated up, they have that lovely, lovely blue color to them. So, and then just, I think this was a desktop on my computer one time, and this one as well. It's just, there's so many different angles you can look at the car from. So, hope you liked it.